I made over $16,000 trading meme coins. But not only that, I had to start at zero. And to be honest, I lost a lot of money. I was down exactly $16,000 until I got enough experience to be break even and even 16,000 in profit now. So I will show you the basics, everything you need to know so you can start making these profits as well. Let's start simple. First of all, you need a trading platform. This will be Axiom. By the way, if you sign up with my link, you will save 10% fees for every trade. So you might seem confused looking at this, but honestly, it's not really that difficult. You have three segments: new pairs, final stretch, and migrated. Here you can see every brand new coin created in real time. On final stretch are coins that already got some bits, but are still rather new. And on migrated are coins that already reached a certain market cap. From here they can go much higher until infinity. Now that you know that, you have to have a strategy. Honestly, I'm more of a final stretch guy, but I will show you every single one and how to trade it. Here are the real trenches, meaning they scan every token instantly. For example, motion one, you can see, okay, this is pretty new. Motion, okay, we can see if the website is legit. All right, and then we can decide to buy or not. This one was kind of interesting because Auction started to buy it, sold right after one, and now Alo bought it. These are known people, you can track them, but seems like the coin didn't get too much traction and it died. This can happen really fast, you have to be careful. I would not recommend you trading new pairs as a beginner because this is high risk but also high reward. If you catch really good coins, you can get really high access, but you can also lose your entire pot, so be careful of that. On final stretch, you can more likely be sure that the coin has a good narrative. For example, Crime Coin, we can click on it and see, okay, this started to get a lot of traction. What is it about? Okay, so the narrative is this guy launched a coin already which went up to a 500k market cap, and now he basically relaunched it. So people are bidding this because they think, okay, this might get to a 500k market cap again. And if you buy it here at 11k market cap, this is basically a 50x. It is not guaranteed though, but it is worth a bet. So we have the possibility to place one Solana here, which is worth $130 right now, or wait for a better dip or skip to the next coin. So here on Final Stretch, you can see coins which are interesting. You can scan it. You can see the tweet. You can see the community or even a website. These guys made a website, for example. It looks honestly pretty interesting. And you can see it started to get some bits, even though I think this might be a rug pull, but this is for another video. You have to be careful from that too. And yeah, then we have the migrated coins. Here you can mostly be sure that the coins are good if it's not a fake. You can see 2 Aura coins migrated already, and I can guarantee you that this one is completely a rug or a fake coin because this is not a natural volume. You can see the coin already spawned at 20k market cap, and you see this is like a stair pattern, and you can 100% be sure that this is not organic. These are bots, so you have to be really careful because at one point they will just go 1 second. So be careful of these. This one is a legit Aura coin though, and you can see there are actual traders here. This coin migrated, so it's reached a certain market cap, and now it can go up to millions. You really have to get some experience to know and have a feeling how good coins can perform. And yeah, honestly, I think this is also a really nice narrative because there was a shooting today in Australia. This guy seemed to survive and made a selfie of him, so they called it Aura, and honestly it can do pretty well. So just for the context, this guy was shooting in Australia, and this hero saved the other people by grabbing his weapon and keeping the guy away from shooting other people. So this is basically the narrative behind it. And yeah, just a few minutes later the coin got up to 140k market cap, so we would have an entry around here, maybe 100k. This would have been an already 50% profit. So if I would have invested $200, I could have cashed out 300. So this is a raw $100 profit in just a few minutes. So if you really understand the narrative and the potential of coins and how viral they are, you can make a lot of money. But be careful because there are also many scams out there. Again, you have to get experience and know what is good and what not. This is where I also lost at the beginning, and then I got so much experience that I knew, okay, this is a rug, this is fake, this is good, and so I became better and better every day. And if you really want to log in and make money in 2026, this is your chance, because for example on this coin I made $7,000 in only 2 hours, and there is no other market you can make so much money in so less time. For example, this guy Casino is a really popular trader, and recently he got a $400,000 profit by investing 24,000. So he almost reached a 20x with size in a matter of an hour. So people might think these screenshots are fake, but they're not, because the beauty of crypto is you can see every transaction and everything what happened on chain. So you have proof that the trades actually are real and you can really achieve this much in a matter of time. So again, if you want to start, use the link in my description so you save 10% of every trade, and also join the Discord. I will show you every setting which is important in the Discord, every Twitter tracker account you have to need, and of course KOLs, meaning people trading themselves, which are millions in profits, which you can inspire yourself, and don't miss future good coins. So if you are still confused about everything I said, you can click this video here. I explained everything more in detail. And again, if you have any questions, join the Discord so you will not miss out. Thank you for watching. See you there.